is our annual Joseph Jaworski Leadership Award event where we honor amazing leaders that embody the ALF way in the way they show up in the world and in the way they are of service to the world. And so tonight we're celebrating 3 amazing people.
I am currently in the middle of my ALF experience. I'm in class 62. The work that I'm doing, trying to help bridge our divides, is really critical for me to get that kind of support from the ALF community and to understand how to be a leader in that space. So this is really the opportunity for me to use everything that ALF has brought to the table and to drink it all in and to just pour it back out into the community. It's an incredible gift to be able to be a part of this community, and just thanks to everyone who made it happen.
I remember in our class 23, one of the best things about this whole ALF experience is that we come from all different backgrounds. And we all have to be able to interact with people and understand. I thought that was so wonderful to be able to have conversations with people who I had nothing in common with. And by the end of our year, climbing a mountain, doing everything else, we loved each other. That's the way we're going to be able to accomplish continuing greatness in this country.
You can't make change unless you show up. The first thing is showing up. And if you don't show up, then nothing's ever going to happen. Exactly. So that's just the starting point, is showing up.
I challenge a lot of us to really invite people to the ALF table, and that means nominating people. And one of the biggest learning I've got out of this is that not just for ALF, but if you want to succeed in this town especially, it's who can you call to set up a meeting? How do you connect people? This is 100,000 people move to Houston every single year. 100,000 people move to Houston every single year. Somehow they find a place to stay, and then we welcome them and we connect them in our community. And ALF is a critical ingredient for the success of Houston. And I challenge all of us to nominate people and expand that circle.
On behalf of the organization, I'd like to express kind of our desire to be more, to grow more, to activate more of our leadership, to take on more of the challenges that affect our community. Because I know that the power of the leadership that we have at American Leadership Forum can solve big problems that face our community. So please join us in this effort in developing leadership for our community here in the city of Houston.